Welcome to Soulful Kitchen, where cozy flavors meet thoughtful design. Settle in for warm winter-ready recipes, calm organization, and timeless kitchens that make baking feel easy. Expect marble-dusted moments, bracelet glow, and practical tips you can use today. Let's create comfort, one tray at a time, beautifully simply together. A winter hush settles into this galley, where marble softly glows and brass catches the light like candle wicks. The beadboard feels friendly, the jadeite pops like mint candy, and everything is neatly in reach. It invites butter, sugar, and quiet rituals, measured, cozy, intentional, and real. This corridor kitchen feels like a calm conversation. Rain-washed cabinets, warm off-white walls, and marble that looks gently powdered. The farmhouse sink anchors the space while brass details add comfort without fuss. It feels ready for parchment-lined trays, cinnamon dust, and a soft playlist drifting in from another room. There's a quiet rhythm here: sink, range, fridge, each step familiar. Cream inset doors and crown molding give the room a graceful backbone, while bone tile nods to tradition. Hooks wait patiently, shelves carry jadeite, and the marble suggests pie crusts rolled thin on winter mornings. White on white but never cold. More like a knit sweater for your kitchen. The marble is matte, the beadboard whisper soft, and the seagrass runner adds earthy warmth. Clear glass invites a peek at favorite staples, while the light feels like mid-morning sun that lingers a little longer. This galley keeps a secret. It's a bakery in disguise. Tall cabinets hold the tools, vertical slots tuck away trays, and a pastry board suggests plans. Gray cabinetry feels soothing, brass lighting lends glow, and oak floors bring warmth. Everything's staged for a low-key, butter-forward afternoon. Winter coziness without clutter. Bedford gray cabinets, marble with storybook veining, and a folded pot filler waiting for soup season. Brass twinkles softly, beadboard wraps the end panels, and copper pieces add a nostalgic wink. It's a space for mixing bowls that clink and quiet ideas that rise. Muted sage makes the room feel like a deep breath. Marble keeps things bright, while brass hardware offers a gentle sparkle. The farmhouse sink looks timeless, the seagrass runner anchors the corridor, and a bowl of winter citrus keeps spirits up. Calm, efficient, and quietly charming. Symmetry soothes off-white cabinets, a slender waterfall edge, and aged brass lanterns that cast a warm evening hush. The paneled hood adds presence without drama. Jadeite plates on open shelves play the supporting role. A frosted garden view sets the mood for slow, thoughtful baking. A narrow island changes everything, still galley, but with a spot for pastry, kneading, and cooling racks. Clearances stay honest, hardware glows softly, and the island's beadboard feels handmade. The palette stays neutral, intentionally quiet. It's a winter workshop that respects every inch. Parallel counters simplify life. Everything in line, nothing in the way. Inset doors feel tailored. Marble's eased edge feels reassuring. A slim shelf caps the beatboard like a ribbon. Brass sconces warm the scene. A jadeite dome waits. Maybe for gingerbread, maybe just for comfort. Details make this feel lived in, not staged. Soft gray fronts, a butcher block board ready to roll, and crown molding tying the room together. Bone tile behind the range keeps things classic. Pine cones gather in a bowl like a winter welcome. The marble looks calm under cool daylight. Cream cabinetry and marble that looks gently dusted, like it remembers last weekend's baking. A bridge faucet and apron sink ground the space with classic character. The seagrass runner draws the eye forward. Jadeite jars smile softly from the counter. It's slow, warm, and deeply practical. Pastel rainwater cabinets meet honed marble with quiet confidence. Brass hardware looks lived in, the plate shelf curates just enough. White dinnerware refracts the winter light. A stoneware vase lifts branches like a sketch. The corridor feels generous, as if time decided to walk slower here. Two-tone cabinets frame the room like a winter postcard. Off-white above, gentle gray below. Marble repeats the theme. Soft, calm, honest. The paneled refrigerator disappears into the architecture. Behind glass, bakeware lines up like friendly soldiers. It's classic symmetry without stiffness, meant to be used often. Today's tour blended classic galley layouts with winter baking comfort, honed marble, beadboard charm, brass warmth, and smart storage that makes every step smoother. If you found inspiration, tap like, hit subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite detail or question. Your support helps this community grow. See you next time.